Okay, so I'm super excited about today's video. We are going to be learning a lazy way to make money online with the OLSP system. Now, I'm going to go through what is the OLSP system if you don't already know it. Also, how you can actually make money, and I've made nearly $1,000 already with this system. Plus, I'm also going to show you how you can start for free and earn your first $20 in less than 2 hours. So super simple if you're even just beginning in the online marketing. And also I'm going to be giving away some free bonus training and also some mentoring just from me as well. So stay tuned right to the very end for that as well. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and I'll go through how you can make lazy money with a OLSP system. Okay, right, so we've dived onto my desktop here, and as you can see, we're inside my OLSP system account, okay? And as you can see, I've earned over $900, about $945 so far with this system. So it definitely works, guys. Now, what I'm going to say first off the bat, it's a lazy way to make money, which is what I'm saying, but there is work involved. If you're here and you think that you're chasing something, you're literally going to have to press a button and do absolutely nothing. That is not going to be the case. This is as near to a perfect business as what you're going to get, guys. It really is. And I'm going to show you it very shortly how it works. But if you're after something, a get-rich-quick scheme or something like that, then they don't really exist, guys. They really don't. All these sites that promise you $1,000 in the next 10 seconds, don't work. They very rarely pay out and things like that. They're normally scams. This is not a scam. It's a verified business, and as you can see, I've been paid out on a monthly basis for the last few months. So how does it work? Basically, it takes the business model of affiliate marketing, where you're actually promoting someone else's products and getting paid a commission for that. Now, the only difference with the OLSP is that you're not actually promoting their products. They do all the promoting for you. All you have to do is actually get people to join the OLSP system. Now, it's free to join, so that is a simple thing to do. So all you need to do is you get one link, and if we scroll down on my dashboard here, you get what you call is a mega link. Now, this link is what you would use to invite people to join the OLSP system. Now, what happens is once they join through that link, they are linked to you. So it doesn't matter what products or services that Wayne and his team at the OLSP system will promote. If someone purchases, you will get a commission. Now, there are so many ways you can actually earn with OLSP system. I'm not going to go into that today. Check out to the link above here and to another video that I've done, which gives you all the different ways in which you can actually earn money with OLSP system. And they are improving all the time. There are more ways being added all the time, guys, as well. So this video is probably already out of date. Okay, so that's how it basically works. Is you've got to basically just get people to join the system, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you how easy that is to do right at the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing, which basically means it's very passive for me, and I spend hardly any time on the system. I could concentrate more on the OLSP system, probably earn more money, and I will be doing that at a later date, but I'm actually doing other things at the moment which are taking up more of my time. But as you can see, I'm still earned nearly $1,000, guys. And wouldn't you like to do that? Yes, I'm sure you would. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. So how do you make the money? Well, like I say, you basically will get commissions throughout the OLSP system. Wayne and his team will have guests on with different products and services. Plus, they offer different products and services. So for argument's sake, if you haven't got a page builder for building opt-in pages and things like that, they offer one of those. So if you haven't got one and you need one, you could buy that and use that to build your business. If you needed an email autoresponder, you could get that, and you could start building an email list, which is basically what I do. I build an email list and then I promote to the email list as well. There are also various other traffic methods. You could buy solo ads if you wanted to. Plus, you could do all this for free, guys. If you've just wanted to go out and promote it by doing what I do, you could do this for free. It wouldn't even cost you a penny, and you wouldn't even need to build an email list to begin with, although I would suggest that that is a good thing to do, especially if you're working online. So stay tuned and I'll show you actually how you can do this for free without even buying any of the products or services, and for getting started on a free and very limited budget. But as you can see here, it doesn't take you long before you can start earning commissions anyway. Then you can plow those commissions back in and make sure you boost your earnings. Now, as you can see from the leaderboard here, I just want to show you the top of the leaderboard on the point system, which is one of the ways you can actually earn money. And as you can see, I'm number 14 currently for this month. So I've got a little bit of work to do if I'm going to get up into the earning some money here. But if you look at Jaffa here, Jaffa is come under the system under me, and I've been helping him, and he's been doing fantastic. And as you can see, he's got nearly 2,500 points this month already, and he's on for $40 straight away. And that is literally just by inviting people to the system. That doesn't even matter if they don't even buy anything or anything like that. He's still going to earn $40 this month by just doing a little bit of work. And again, so well done for Jaffa for taking action, that's what it's all about, guys, is literally taking action. Okay, now if you're worried and you think I am new to this game, I don't know how to do any of this, then don't worry, because what you basically need to do is go through the training units here on the left hand side. And as you go through the training units, yes, it will give you different products and services you could build into your business, but also it shows you free ways where you can go and actually build your business for free to start with as well. So follow the training units. That's all you have to do. Everything is there for you. Then all you need to do is take action, start spreading the word and getting people to your mega link, and then people will come in. People will obviously then start building their business, and then you will start making money. It is simple as that. Okay, so how do you join for free, and how do you get your first $20? Now basically, to get your first $20 when you actually join for free, the only thing that will be open down on this dashboard will be the boot camp. Okay, so you will start on the boot camp, and basically it's just 15 videos here, short videos. The first one is about half an hour long. That's the longest there is on there. And then basically you want to go through, and what it does, it explains what is over here on the left hand side and how the OLSP system works. So you'll just basically be learning all about the system. It takes about 2 hours to go through. At the end of it, you will receive $20 into your commissions just by going through the free videos on the bootcamp, guys. How simple is that? You're not only learning how to make money and how the system works, they're then going to give you $20 at the end of it. How cool is that? Don't know any company like that does that at the moment. So once you've done that, then like I say, then work through all of these tabs here. Everything is here. You've also got weekly Q&As with Wayne on the Facebook group, which is nearly 100,000 people in the Facebook group now. So it's absolutely phenomenal. So like I say, Wayne does weekly Q&As, and we also do weekly free webinars and training on different aspects of the online business. And all of that is absolutely free, guys. You don't have to pay a penny for that. So if anything else, if you are looking to make money online and you weren't even looking to do affiliate marketing, most of this stuff applies for just any online business. Okay, so you'll be getting all this free training for nothing. In fact, you'll be getting paid $20 for it. So how cool is that? So last thing then, how can you get extra training that I'm going to give you, bonus training? And that is how you can do that is to actually follow the link in the description below here, which will then take you to a opt-in page where if you opt in there, then that automatically directs you into the OLSP system, and it'll also put you on my email list. Now on that email list, I will then send you more training, more videos, loads of information to help you along your journey. Okay, Okay, so once you're into your dashboard, if you head over to the Meet Your Team, okay, now if you meet your team, basically my name would be here. So your OLSP mentor, that's my name here. You'll have my Facebook details. You'll be able to contact me and connect with me on Facebook. So if you've got any questions or need any support, I will be around. I'm not on there all the time, but I will definitely answer any questions eventually. So drop me a line there. If you wanted any instant support, then obviously you've got the Facebook group as well, where you can go in there and actually post questions, and most of the members will be able to help you as well. And there are thousands of people in there, and they are all earning money as well. Some of them are earning like $1,000 plus a month, guys, by and really killing it with the OLSP. So check out the Facebook group, and obviously check out this tab with the Meet the Team. And then as you bring people into the OLSP system as well, you will get possibly get their, if they fill in their details and get their Facebook group, you can connect with them as well. And you can also message your team out as well, various different messages, which is always a great addition of late. So that is the OLSP system. Like I say, it's a lazy way to make money online. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. All I do at the moment is I've got a YouTube channel, and basically you're watching that video, one of the videos right now. And I do videos about making money online, all different bits and pieces, cryptocurrency and all that. And in the description, I've got a link to my top recommendation, which is the OLSP. And it will take you through again to that link, which will take you through to my email list. You can join my email list, and then you'll get obviously loads of free stuff. Plus, you will get the option to join the OLSP system, plus other bits and pieces in there as well, and other products and services that I use that you will be wanting to use eventually in your business. So that's how I do it, guys. That's as simple as that. I don't go and use any paid traffic and that at the moment, although I will be pushing that out in the next sort of coming months, because I want to get up to the top of that leaderboard every month and not hovering just outside the payments. But as you can see, I don't get paid on the leaderboard yet, but I do get paid every month from a OLSP system, which is probably one of the best systems I've come across online at the moment. So check out the link in the description below. I'd love to see you in my team in OLSP system. Join up, come and say hello, say hi on Facebook as well. Join with me on there, and then if you've got any questions, I'll be glad to help you. Okay, I trust you found it interesting. If you did, obviously give us the big thumbs up. Obviously put a comment below as well if you're already in OLSP system, or you're actually going to join the OLSP system as well. Let me know below. And also, if you haven't already, obviously make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Also, don't forget to watch this video next. This goes into a little bit more detail of how you can actually earn money on YouTube by using affiliate marketing and other means as well. Plus, I'll also put a video up here as well, which gives you more details about what you actually get for free inside the OLSP system. So check that video out as well, because you'll be astonished exactly how much is in that video.